Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about the history of Minar-e-Pakistan. So let's start the video. Minar-e-Pakistan is a historical movement in the Lahore. Each country is characterized by the number of historical buildings, landmarks and the movements of its reflective and cultural heritage. Careful effect that you have the made in the trace that is the periodic and past for your presence them into their original glory. While Pakistan is the home of number, that is the historical sites, Minar-e-Pakistan is the considered it the most of significant among them. Minar-e-Pakistan, also known as the Tower of Pakistan, Pakistan Liberty Tower, it is the national momentum in the Lahore. The tower is the constructed between 1960 to 1968. It is the location while the All India Muslim League passed in the Lahore of resolutions on March 20, 1940. It is the mark in the first official call in the independent homeland of the British Indian Muslims, as it is advocated by two nation theory 1947 and resolution was international creation of the independent Pakistan state. Gurnaam is the .com and Pakistan's smartest property protocol outline these are related information about Minar Pakistan below. Minar Pakistan location and nearby attractions. There is the Tower of Situation is the head of Great Iqbal Park, one of the biggest park in the Lahore and the tomb of Hafiz Jalandhari. On Urdu poet voices the rote of lyrics and national anthem of Pakistan. It is situated in the countryland of Minar Pakistan. Some other tourist attractions in the variety of your followers. Places and distance from Minar Pakistan. Gurdwara Dera Sahib 0.2 miles. Samdi of Rajit Singh is 0.2 miles. Badshahi Mosque 0.3 miles. Lahore of Front 0.3 miles. National History Museum 0.3 mile. Tomb of Allama Iqbal 0.3 miles. Shalimar Garden 0.4 miles. Nakshat Gallery 0.6 mile. Masjid Wazira Khan 1.1 miles. Lahore Museum 1.6 mile. Who made Minar Pakistan? The architect of Minar Pakistan was the Nasiruddin Murad Khan and the Russian-born Pakistani architect in the civil engineer who has the architecture behind to the Gadi and stadium for you have the several over notable and structure. This architecture of Minar Pakistan is the mix of Mughal Islamic architecture and cantography of styles. This is the surrounded by the large park and artificial lake of the trickling foundation. All you have to which all your its beauty. The tower of features that is construct of the stars, symbols of Pakistan culture, and all you have to the also founded in the national flag. The base of approximately 8 meters above of the ground level. This is the highest of Minar Pakistan is around is the 70-meter above of the ground. With the tower of rising about 62 meters above of the ground. This is the base of tower is designed the like of flower. This is the petals of spreading in the height of 9 meters. This is the tower diameters is the approximately 9.75 meters and the rostrum faces Badshahi Mosque is the compressed by a patron titles. This is the features of 4 platform in the base and this is the first platform that is made it the onset of stones and texla which is the symbolize of the unwearing efforts in the Indian Muslim during to the time of independence. This is the second level of that is the hammer of dressed stone representing the region of struggle freedom, whereas the platform is compressed and sculpted for your stone significantly progress in the movement. Friendly of the fourth and maiden in the marble of displays the success of sovereignty and freedom movement. Visitors climb off your stairs and uses of the elevator reach and the top of migrated get to the paragraphic in the views of cities. It is also used for the political and religious gatherings. Construction. The foundation stone of the Minar Pakistan was placed in the 23 March 1960. It is took 8 years of the completed on October 21, 1968. And it is the entire project cost around it 7058,000 and it is the requested of Governor and West Pakistan Akar Hussain that is the money of raised in the living of extra movies and horse of the racking tickets. Important inspections. This is the biotical and Frosoling is the marble platique and this is the base of Minar Pakistan. This is the inspection of include the highlighted details of the Lahore resolution and Delhi resolution in Urdu, Bengali and English. Quranic versions that is the 99 attributes for the great in the architect of Arabic calligraphy and this is the various of platinum. Furthermore, this is the national anthem of Pakistan in Urdu and Bengali. Expert of Muhammad Ali Jinnah speeches in the Urdu, Bengali and English. This is the few couples that is Allama